G'day folks, my name is Sean and this is Air Photography. This is just a quick update video for you. Last night DJI released a new version of the Fly app, version 1.4.3. Now the release notes of this update don't list what they've changed. In fact, it has the same release notes as the previous version. What they've done in this update is re-added the ability to charge your smartphone from the controller. Now unfortunately, not a lot of people are going to be happy with this update, and I'll kind of explain why here in a minute. So if you weren't aware, about 5-6 days ago, DJI released a version of the Fly app, and they added some new features, fixed a few problems. And one of the things that they did in that update is they removed the ability to charge your smartphone from the controller. There was a toggle in the settings that you can turn on and off, so if you had a smartphone that was getting low in power, you could start charging it up from the battery in the controller. Now that feature wasn't something I used a lot, but I did use it from time to time. In fact, last night I could have made use of it, but this update wasn't available yet. About 10:30 at night, the neighbor decided to set off some fireworks. It was May 2/4 weekend here in Canada, and I thought I'd go up and film it, but my phone was at about 5 to 6%, so, I could have used that feature last night. Now, this feature isn't something that everybody uses. Now, I put a poll up on my YouTube channel about 4 days ago asking whether people use this feature. Are they upset that it's gone, or do they even use it at all? Out of 1,700 votes, you can see there that 69% said that they were a little upset that it was gone, and 31% said it's a feature that they never use. So you can see there is a majority of people that do use that feature, so they're going to be happy that it's back. Now, I'm just going to show you here. You can see I've got the controller plugged in, and right at the top there it is charging. If I unplug it, it stops charging. But the problem is now you don't have the ability to disable that feature. I think it used to be under control, I'm not 100% sure. But that feature, that option to turn that feature off is no longer available. So you don't have the option. As soon as you plug your controller into your phone, on an iPhone anyways, it's going to start charging. For the most part, that probably won't be an issue. However, if you're really low on power in your controller, got 75% on your phone, you really don't want to be drawing extra power from the controller's battery if you still have some flights you want to get in. So that is kind of interesting. It is nice that DJI listened to the customers and put that back in right away, but it would be nice, hopefully, with the next update, they give the ability to disable or enable that feature as well. Now, for those of you pilots who fly the Mini 2, it's the exact same thing. I did demonstrate on the Air 2S, so we'll just demonstrate with the Mini 2 as well. You can see there, I have it plugged in and the phone is charging. Unplug it. Phone stops charging. And if we go to the Fly app again, there's no option to turn off charging the phone from the controller. And I just want to mention this is for an iPhone. I haven't tested on an Android. I don't actually own an Android phone to test this out. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of this update. Are you glad that that ability to charge your phone is back? Are you a little concerned that you don't have the option to disable that if you want to, that it's going to automatically start draining your controller battery automatically? Again, let me know down in the comments. I want to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.